Maybe we can just have fun with the ball, huh?
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
You want to do it again? No.
No.
Do you want to do the rings?
No. No.
Come back. Pickle. Pickle.
It's good.
Pickle.
Step up. Step up. No, he'll do anything for the granola. Except spin. He won't spin for the granola.
Oh, is that not a good piece of granola? Do the rings.
Will you do something for the granola? Will you take a ring off for the granola? I mean, that's pretty impressive.
It's like, I took my old piece of granola. I rewarded myself.